Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Notion pages for landing page design previews. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open Notion and create a new page for your landing page design preview. Begin by choosing a template that suits your project or start with a blank page. Set the page title to reflect your landing page topic or project name. Add a cover image that aligns with the theme of your landing page. Select a suitable icon to enhance the visual appeal of your page. Create a new block for your main content by clicking on the plus icon. Use the Heading 1 block for your main headline to ensure it stands out. Underneath the headline, add a text block for a brief description of your landing page. Incorporate a divider block to separate the introduction from the main content for better organization. Now, add a gallery block to showcase your design previews. Upload images of your landing page mockups into the gallery block. Ensure each image has a descriptive caption to provide context. Utilize the toggle list block to group related items or design elements for easy navigation. Add any relevant links or resources using link blocks, making them easily accessible. If you want to include feedback or comments, create a comments block for collaborative input. Finally, adjust the page settings to allow for sharing if you wish to invite others to view your design preview. Review your page layout and ensure everything is aligned and visually appealing. Once you are satisfied, you can share the link for others to view the landing page design preview. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.